What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And guys, I have to say this, guys, Bitcoin is gonna hit $50,000 this week. Here's proof. Guys, I'm just kidding, guys. I just have to address something because I felt that on yesterday's video, some people kind of were a bit disappointed because they did not hear what they really wanted to hear. And I guess that, many of us, including myself, are down. I mean to say is that we've definitely taken a hit, especially with our portfolios after yesterday's big drop. And some people are emotionally disappointed or upset, and I kind of understand that. However, guys, what can I say? I just like to share the facts. I don't like trying to tell you, I don't want to tell you things that you want to hear, but not what I believe is going to happen. So this is just my 2 cents, guys. I'm here to share my thoughts, and of course, nothing is advice because some people take things as advice. Nothing is advice. I just share my thoughts, and it's just what I think, guys. Okay, so please don't take this as advice, and don't expect me to tell you things that you want to hear. I would say things that I believe is possible. Okay, everything is possible, but what's more probable? Okay, for a fact, like I've done videos a while back, a few months ago, saying that if you're gonna wait for Ethereum to reach 10, 15K, then good luck, but I don't see that happening in the near future. Maybe along the line in the future, like in a few years from now, but not in the near future. And just things like this, I just like to be more realistic. Like I was telling you guys, I don't think Cardano is going to reach $10 in the very near future. Now maybe potentially in a few years to come, yes, I believe that's very possible. I mean, of course, it's possible for Ethereum to reach $15,000 now too, and Cardano $10 now too. But do I think it's likely for that to happen right now? More probably not. Okay, now of course, as I said, everything is possible, but it's less probable. Okay, that's how we work in this market. It's all about probability, guys. Probabilities. Anyways, as we're speaking, Bitcoin is having a little mini pump, a little bounce. Right now we are at $36,400. So what is next? What could be next, guys? So let's talk about this. But before we do that, guys, I just have to, share these things because I know many people, or most people, probably most people, and probably everyone, has taken a hit, right, with all this dumps going on. And many people must be emotionally disappointed or down. Guys, let me tell you one thing. This is very common in this market. Okay, and I mean, of course, these huge drops don't happen every single day, and it happens when the least people expect it. However, guys, if you can't take those kind of drops, then honestly, this place might not be for you. This is not for everybody, guys. In fact, most people end up losing money in this market because they buy stuff. First of all, as I've always been saying, you want to buy on the dumps, not on the pumps, right? That's number one. Number two is when you sell, you want to sell the pumps. You don't want to sell the dumps. Now, I know it's easier said than done because most people will do the opposite. Psychologically, people will do the opposite. People will buy when prices are going up because that's when they are bullish, right? That's when they are like, wow, prices are going up. It's going to go up. It's going to go up. I have to buy. They have to FOMO in. And then when something like this happens, people sell. Like on a drop like yesterday, people started selling their cryptos. I mean, to me, I was telling you guys clearly, I'm not selling. If you want to sell right now. It's up what is it up? It's about up $5,000 since yesterday. So here you go, guys. You got $5,000 difference just since yesterday. My point is, guys, psychologically, people do the opposite what should be done, and that's just the way people are. And this is why most people lose money in this market, because people will buy the top. When something like this happens, people will panic because they're on a loss, and they will say, listen, I'm in a big loss, I don't want to lose everything, let me just exit out and call it a day. And this is why I'm sure many people who sold yesterday are scratching their head now saying, why did I sell yesterday? But this is just the way this game works. This is what I'm telling you guys. This is not for everybody. It's not easy money like people think. a lot of work and, well, a lot of things go into this. Anyways, what do I think is next? So right now we are going up. We are at $36,600. I think the next potential resistance could be $37,000, because I think there is a daily point of control, which is basically one of those lines like the VPVR point of control, basically where it's a area where a lot of people have traded around, so it could be resistance. But do I think the drop is over? It's possible, guys, but I'm not 100% certain yet. Okay, we could still see lower numbers. This could be a nice bounce like we had the other week. Okay, however, guys, on the smaller time frame, so let's say on the 15 minutes time frame, or even on the 1 hour time frame, we are breaking the trend of a lower high and a higher low. So that could be good for the short term. So that could be like a basically breaking the downtrend, but not on the higher time frame, guys. This is on the shorter time frame. So on the higher time frame, we are still in a downtrend, and yeah, we still need to see if Bitcoin could be breaking that downtrend and change the market structure. But right now we are still on a higher time frame downtrend, so this is not to fool you that the dump is over. However, guys, as I've been saying, you know, people have to understand fundamentally nothing has changed with Bitcoin. So if people were willing to pay $60,000 a Bitcoin like 6 weeks ago or 2 months ago, and now at $36,000, or yesterday at 32,000, 33,000, people are willing to sell. You have to ask yourself the question, why? Because me personally, I saw yesterday as an opportunity, and now I didn't go all in yesterday because I still have a feeling that we could see lower numbers. However, guys, maybe we won't. So what did I do? I started going in a little bit, dollar cost average in a little bit, just to add to my portfolios. But we could still be going lower, so this is why I wouldn't go all in. And if we don't go lower, I will be happy I managed to buy some of it at the dip, because as I said, fundamentally nothing has changed with Bitcoin, and people have to understand that, because people, as I said, panic sell and panic buy, and it took me a long time to kind of build this strategy and not do that most people do. But yes, guys, I'm just here to share my thoughts. Again, nothing is advice. And for those people who are a bit bitter out there, listen, I'm sorry to hear you lost money. It might not have lost, because only if you sell, that's when you take a loss. If your portfolio is down, oops, but you haven't sold, then I wouldn't say it's a loss. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, and it's only positive vibes. You know, even though there were a few people disappointed yesterday with my video, because they wanted to hear what they wanted to hear. But again, I didn't tell you guys what you wanted to hear. I just thought what I thought is more probable. So take it how you want. I don't just share videos, nonsense videos. You know, there are people out there, guys, you know this. There are people out there making videos claiming Ethereum is going to reach 100K within a month. Or in fact, 2 weeks ago, some of these big YouTubers, this is the last chance to buy Bitcoin under $50,000. 2 days later, the price plunged to 32,000. So if I want, I could be doing those thumbnails, those videos, and try and give you this hope kind of thing, and make you excited. But guys, this is not what my channel is all about. I like to be realistic. Guys, I've been telling you to buy Bitcoin at $5,000. I've been telling you to buy Bitcoin at $6,000. If you don't know, go watch all the way back through my videos. I have been doing quite a few good videos, and in fact, I'm not trying to hold any egos, but in fact, I think I was pretty right with all of my videos. I mean, in fact, I've been calling many, like the last few drops that we had recently, I haven't been telling anybody to buy the dip. That's because I was expecting lower. However, the drops we had 3-4 months ago, 5 months ago, I was telling you guys I'm buying the dip, because from those drops we went up a lot higher. But please don't follow me. This is just my thoughts, okay? Nothing is advice. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Smash the like button, subscribe, and guys, I will see you on my next update. Bye now.